Hello everybody, we are here and this is Agatha Christie's house. It's very nice, very beautiful, and you can see a lot from here. Yeah, there is a caption. It says "Hic est requies mea." Here's my peace. My peace lies here. Yeah, that's beautiful. And this house belongs to Agatha Christie's family. And this is an alley that goes to, well, it depends. If you turn left, you go to El Mirador de La Paz. And if you go right, you go to the other one. You go to a different paseo, which is paseo of Agatha Christie. Yeah. Of course, the sea is beautiful. The colors are, yeah, the color is deep blue. And from here you see Lago Martianez. And this is part of the paseo. And that's again Agatha Christie's house. I want to go on. I want to move forward to other destinations. Yeah, we just went past El Mirador de La Paz. And now we're going towards the hotel. The name is Semiramis. Yeah, Mirador de La Paz is that way. And we're going this way. There are beautiful villas here. You can enjoy the view, the waves breaking on the shore. And you have hotels, bars, restaurants. Yeah, because you know the view over here is, you know, amazing. There's a stunning view, and you know, it's a perfect place to yeah, to sit and sip some coffee or a glass of brain-freezing beer. Yeah, check this out, folks. straight. Of course, there is a sort of natural or man-made pool down there. I hope we can get there. And I'll take a look at the sky is blue and some people are paragliding. Whatever. Well, of course, you know, I would choose one of these seats, especially at sunset. Well, now it's not sunset. It's about 4:30 p.m. and the sun sets at 8:45. That's the Semiramis Hotel. You know, it starts here and it goes all the way down. Yeah, this is a 5-star hotel, and it's no surprise that we have this high quality. There's a gym, but now nobody's working out. Yeah, I had to walk here yesterday, and there were people working out. That's nice. You know, opposite the Semiramis, which is this one, you have another hotel. So this is kind of an interruption for the paseo. So the paseo is interrupted by this building, but then you can get it further on. And here we go. Yeah, this is a place where you have interesting villas. Villas with a well-kept garden, a pool, and I don't know what else. Just a glimpse of the mountain. Well, the mountain is a few steps away. Oh, it's not far. This is a mountain going down to the sea. And these constructions here, they are villas. They seem small, but you know, you have a lot of numbers here. You can check. They are huge. And we got people coming from the other direction here. You can get the typical vegetation of this place. This is a dry place, of course. Yeah, well, it rains mostly in winter time. You know, this is a condo rather than a villa, because you have many apartments. It's very quiet here. This is, I think, the best place to spend holidays in. Well, I think it's also the best place to live. If you have a job, if you telework, if you work online. Yeah, well, I can tell you that here we have high-speed internet, so you won't have any problems about the internet, the connection. You know, to upload a 20-minute video like this one, maybe this one, it takes me about 30 minutes. In the small village where I live in Italy, because I work in Italy, a video that size would take about 1 day and a half. Well, the color today, the color of the ocean is deep blue. And now the paseo becomes countryside. Well, this is a perfect place to go running, to go cycling, or to have a walk, just like myself. Take a look at the mountains, the clouds. Underneath. You know, it's a smooth descent. that if you go from El Mirador de La Paz, if you start from there, it's easy and it's pleasant. But the opposite direction, I don't know. In that case, I wouldn't do that. Well, I should, but I wouldn't do that. And we have an underpass because the sidewalk is the other side of the road. Say that here we are in the countryside. As you can see here, you have a banana plantation. All right, so let's go to the sidewalk. Yeah, lizards are very big here. Check them out. They look like dinosaurs or crocodiles. But they're harmless. They do no harm. It's gone. Someday we're going to go down there. There's a wonderful beach. And this is, this is something for another video. Yeah, from here you can go to Playa Martianez. So you can go to the center of the town, and in the background you can see the palms of Playa Martianez. Apart from cars, I can say it's very quiet here. apart from cars, of course. And again, in the distance, you can see the Semiramis Hotel. That's a view from the bottom, not from the top. And those mini condos that, as I said before, you know, they look small, they look like villas, but they are pretty big. You know, when there is someone playing music, I have to, you know, mute the video because YouTube doesn't like people to add video music or stuff that is protected by copyright. Yeah, just a look. Take a look. These are the houses I showed earlier. Playa Martianes is coming closer. And again, the view. Some people are on that rock. and we can see a tunnel. And I'm gonna end this video before reaching the tunnel. I just want to show you a natural pool. You know, in that case, the ocean is responsible for its maintenance. You know, cleaning the pool, changing the water. That's the Semiramis again. From the top to the bottom. And that's the pool. Yeah, some people are sunbathing there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment. You know, if you like this video, just leave me a like. Feel free to subscribe, and ciao for now.